What is good, everyone? Welcome back to the vlog. Holy crap, look at the lighting. Oh my god. We are in the garage today. If you guys recall, in the last video, we installed that big ass Voltex Type 12. Steven is back because we didn't install it right. We as in me, because I didn't really plan it correctly. But let me go and show you exactly what I'm talking about. You might be wondering, where's the duck spoiler? Or the three, I still don't, the duck bill. What do you even call it? Duck bill?
I call it the duck bill.
The duck bill? Yeah, the duck bill is not on there, and that's because
it's right here.
Yes, luckily it didn't fall off, but it was about to. I washed this car on Sunday, and as I was washing the car, I was like drying it, and once I got to this part of the car, I noticed that it was kind of like sagging a little bit, and then I tried like pushing it back, and then I ended up pulling it, and it just came off. And I had driven like all day that day, like all day. And luckily, that is still with us. And if this is gone, I'm cooked, because you can't really buy another one of this. It only came on these cars. So, you know, no one else could really pick one up unless they got it from this trim. Steve and I are pretty sure why that happened. The reason being is we didn't clean up the 3M. And the studs that we drilled off still is kind of there. So we're gonna need to trim it off even more, because, you know, if you could look on the trunk, there's some scarring right here and right here. But yeah, that's what we're doing today, is we're gonna go ahead and get this thing back on here. The car's really been in the garage since Monday. It's now Thursday today, so yeah, let's go ahead and get started on fixing her up and getting her back on the street. All right, guys, we have the duck bill here now. This is the first time I use this. I low-key might have Steven start off with this. This is the rubber wheel. So apparently this is what they use to get a lot of like sticky adhesive off. And it shouldn't be abrasive enough to damage it, but it should be enough just to get the sticky adhesive off. Does it take long?
No, if you know what you're doing, it shouldn't take that long.
Looks like Steven's gonna do the whole thing. I'm kidding. Steven, we were able to clean it all off. Look at that, guys. Pretty good, if you ask me.
You want to redo that clip? Turn the camera around.
Wait, why?
And look at your lens.
Oh, whoopsies. My bad, y'all. This is the final product. Very, very clean. Thank you to Steven. Put in the work. How long do you think that took?
Less than 15 minutes. Yeah.
Pretty good.
And mind you, Dre spent at least an hour and a half taking the tape off last time with his bare hands.
Pretty good. But now we're gonna go ahead and have to shave these metal studs off, because they're still pretty kind of high, I'm not gonna lie. Alright guys, before we get started, remember, safety is #1 priority. Shout out Crazy Russian Hacker. Alright, what we're using is this Dremel with this little cone tip. This time we're not cutting anything completely off. We're just mainly trying to shave it down as smooth as possible. Okay, I feel like it might take a while, but let's pray for the best. What do you think I should do it at?
Start at 4 and then go up more if you need to. Yeah.
All right, gang, let's get it. Before we go ahead and mount the wing, we're gonna go ahead and let it cool down. We want to mock it up and place some masking tape around it, just so we know exactly that we're putting it in the right spot. Because last time, me and Steven, we just threw it on there. We kind of just threw it on there. That's why, it's probably why we had to take it off again and reapply it. But other than that, look at the sky, guys. It is, oh shoot, look at that. That is gorgeous, bro. Steven didn't just come here for no reason. You know, of course he wants to come here to help, as, you know, he is. The nice guy he is. You guys know his car's been down for a while, and it's been stock for the longest time. Steven's car is fully prepped? Almost fully prepped?
Almost fully prepped.
Like 90%, 99% there. Damn. I'm looking at it right now. Today is the first time I've seen it. I've seen it on pictures, and if you do follow him on Instagram, you've probably seen it already. But man, oh man, this car, he might have outdone it with this one, guys. Here it is. Let us know what you guys think of Steven's V5 fucking, what is it now, like 4, 5?
Or something, I think.
I love how clean it looks. The chrome really goes well with the car. I really do miss multi-spoke wheels, I can't lie. As much as T's are really good wheels, I get it. They're nice, they go with everything, but ever since I had the Wedge Sports, since those were multi-spoke, I feel like that's the reason why I kept them the longest. It's because they were multi-spoke. I feel like if I had some CE28s or even ZE40s, but in the right concave, I'd love it even more. But this is like really, really good.
Never had multi-spoke wheels before, so this really is like a new look for me.
I love it.
CEs. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Just have to button up a few things and should be good for the show.
Yeah, guys, let us know what you guys think in the comments below of Steven's car. I think this looks freaking phenomenal. It's so proper. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys it because it just looks crazy. We're gonna literally, after we finish up tidying up my car, we're gonna go ahead and flick up, get some TikToks in, make some content. But that is really freaking good. That's it, guys. That's how we installed the wing. I'm kidding. This is what we should have done in the beginning. I think Steven and I were a little too eager to get it on. Right here we have some masking tape, so we know exactly where to place the wing and where we can expect it to meet. So here's all the masking points, and we're making sure that it's absolutely flush, but at the first glance, it's looking pretty good. You know, it doesn't hurt to be extra cautious on making sure that everything is lined up to how it should be. But from the looks of it, I think it's pretty spot on. We're gonna go ahead and take this off again, apply the 3M tape, and then we should be good to go. And now I don't have to worry about the wing flying off on the freeway.
Yeah.
Not bad. We're gonna be using, instead of the 3M tape that we did last time, Steven went ahead and picked up some Gorilla Glue tape. Hopefully, and it should be a lot stronger than the old one. So now all we're gonna have to do is just apply it all around, and it'll be good to go. Down? Okay. Oh shit, this is good, I think. Let me push it for like 10 seconds. I'll do 30 seconds. 30 seconds, guys. 30, 29, 28, 17, 16, 15, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo! And it falls off.
If y'all haven't used this method, use some Gorilla Glue tape instead of 3M, because that 3M did not want to stick. Hey, this is what happens if you aren't careful the first time and you rush it.
You gotta redo it.
You gotta redo it. It is like on there good. Oh my gosh. Prep work is the most important, guys. Nail it down, and 9 times out of 10, the result's gonna be a lot better. Dude, Steven, try to move it. Look, this is me trying to move it. Here, try moving it.
Oh shit, it's not moving. I'm literally trying to wiggle it.
Oh man. Hey, now you guys know, you guys learned through my mistakes. Use Gorilla Glue and really measure and prep your work. guys, today is cleaning and errands day. Honestly thought now that I worked and I didn't have school, I'd have a lot more free time. That's not true. Work literally just replaces what I'd be doing for school. But you know, it's fine because at least this time I'm getting paid. Since I am busy throughout the week, today is like one of the only days that I have to clean the room and really just have like a clean reset. But also the main reason why I'm cleaning the room is not only because I haven't cleaned in a while, but also because I'm leaving tomorrow for a work trip. I'm gonna be flying out to Dallas for training, so that's gonna be fun. Right now I am just kind of cleaning the room so that when I come back, like I don't come back to a pigsty and you know, it stinks and there's a lot of dust everywhere. Also, if you guys hear that, that's my AC running. Sorry, it's hot. It's like 90 degrees out. Just finished cleaning, just packing up, and I'm gonna have to head over to Target to get some toiletries. And yeah, gonna go wash the car later, go to a meet, and yeah, that's gonna be great. Okay, let's go. Oh damn, bro, look at this. Is it riding? Oh, it's bit. I didn't end up vlogging after I went to Target, but we're here now at the meet. I didn't even wash my car either. I really just showed up here. Oh shit, he's crazy, bro. That was weird.
Wow.
Whatever that was.
What a great start to a meet, guys.
There's a guy that road raged behind us because we're trying to get into this driveway here, and someone called him out. The guy came up to him, and apparently his girl got like pepper sprayed or something, but oh, he's coming back.
Is he actually?
Yeah, that's his car.
Oh,
but he just came back, bro. Like the cops came and everything. It is so weird, bro. What if he's gonna start it again? He's about to start that shit again. Oh hell no, dude. Thought he was getting mad at us because we're kind of like blocking the drive or the street because we're trying to turn in here. But anyway, let's try and enjoy this meet. That was really weird.
Cue the B-roll.
Cue the B-roll. Well, of course we'd end up here, huh? To be fair though, I haven't had it in a while, so I'm actually looking forward to it. I'm very hungry. I haven't eaten in so long.
You can get a use that.
Full 3.
Oh, really?
Alright guys, your boy is back home in the room. Currently 1 a.m. I still haven't finished packing. I have my stuff there that I still need to get sorted, and I still have laundry to fold. I just got home right now. I gotta go shower and do that stuff. Pretty eventful day, very fun, but you know, it's time to get back to getting ready to leave. I literally leave tomorrow at 12, so it's about to be fun. Yay. No! Thanks, babe, for taking me to the airport.
I can't believe you're moving.
Stop. Listen. All right, guys. As you guys can see, we're at the airport. Jazz is dropping me off in Fito. But yeah, stay away from me. Bye, baby.
Stop, I'm gonna cry.
I'm only gonna be gone, not even for a week. It's not gonna be that long, but I know. Bye, Ebla. I love you. I'll call you though. I'll call you, okay? What's good, guys? I don't know why I'm green. It looks green to you guys. Your boy is here now. I'm at like this little farmer's market thing in the corner. Literally in the corner. I picked up an overpriced chicken wrap. I haven't eaten breakfast. I should have, but I know the flight's only like 3 hours long, so it's not gonna be too bad. I don't know if I mentioned where I'm going, but I'm going to Texas. I'm going to Dallas for work-related stuff. I'm only there until Thursday, so I come home Thursday night, which isn't too bad, but I just don't like being away from home, especially like from Jazz and my family. So it's the first time I'm actually flying alone as well, like solely by myself. Nothing beats overpriced airport food, guys, especially when it's like in this. Look. made it to the hotel room. Of course, I gotta show you guys what we're dealing with for the room. But here we are. Not bad. I like the theme that's going on in here. It's very like Western and Texan, and I guess you may call it. Here's the bathroom right here. 2 beds but 1 sink. The bathroom, or the toilet. Ooh, a nice robe, Loki. Should I throw that shit on? And then here's the shower. Nice shower situation going on. It's honestly really weird being alone, traveling, and having this whole hotel room to myself. My first instinct is to like get my phone and text my friends like, okay, what are we doing? But I'm here for work and I'm not really here to have fun. But it's really weird. I don't know what to do because it's a Sunday right now and I don't start the training until Monday, and it's Monday through Thursday. So yeah, just today I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and unpack a little bit, unwind. But the travel wasn't too bad. It was just like a couple, like literally like 2 hours long. I finished a movie and then it was over and we were already here. But it's not bad. It's not a bad place. It's freaking huge. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.